guys, today we talk about how can you find a recommendation for you on your cheat app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on recommended for you here. You just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next steps. So it's going to take you to this list here. You will find here all recommended for you in this list. Can you find it here? So that's all you have to do to find your recommended. I wish you know you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.